ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Can please repeat तकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पठितवत् शब्दः।
तकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पठितवत् शब्दः।
पठितवान् पठितवन्तौ पठितवन्तः
पठितवान् पठितवन्तौ पठितवन्तः
पठितवन्तं पठितवन्तौ पठितवतः
पठितवन्तं पठितवन्तौ पठितवतः
पठितवता पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भिः
पठितवता पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भिः
पठितवते पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भ्यः
पठितवते पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भ्यः
पठितवतः पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भ्यः
पठितवतः पठितवद्भ्यां पठितवद्भ्यः
पठितवतः पठितवतोः पठितवताम्
पठितवतः पठितवतोः पठितवताम्
पठितवती पठितवतोः पठितवत्सु
पठितवती पठितवतोः पठितवत्सु
हे पठितवन् पठितवन्तौ हे पठितवन्तः
हे पठितवन् हे पठितवन्तौ हे पठितवन्तः
पठितवत्, that is पठितवतु. This is also Ugit. Ugit means, ur, lu. These are called by the name pratyam, by the pratyahara uk. If the uk letters are it, the pratipadikam, then it is called ukit. Then when sarvanama sthana pratyaya follows, su, jas, amot for pullinga and strilinga, jas and shas for napumsakalinga, then numahama comes, like in shatranta. Shatranta patan patantau patantaha, patantam patantau patataha. Here what happens? Upada to nakara, that becomes dirgha. That is the one extra thing happens here. That is only for one. Only for pratama vibhakti ekavachana. Like dhimat, dhiman. Then after that, dhimantau, dhimantaha. Only for pratama vibhakti ekavachanam, the dirghatum happens. And what is the name of the pratyaya? That's su, pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. The name is not direct name, it is indirect. It is, what is the name for the eighth one?
Sambuddhi.
Sambuddhi. So it is asambuddhi. Asambuddhi su. This is called asambuddhi su. So when asambuddhi su pratyaya follows, upada to nakara becomes dirgha. This you can remember. Upada to nakara becomes dirgha. Okay. Atvasantasya chadhatoho. It's a sutra. Like that it becomes. And patitavan. Patitavat is tavat ardhadhatu pratyaya. Balladi. Therefore, itagama will come. And tavatu meaning it, therefore, angakarya is negated. These properties you can know. And it denotes karta and bhute arthe kartari. That is tavatu. So all these points you can remember. So this is for pullinga. Then similarly for strilinga. Strilinga is very simple. Once you get the pratipadikam by adding the tavatu pratyaya, then it is kridanta pratipadikam. That can be converted to strilinga by adding the pratyaya neep, that is e. If you add e, you get the pratipadikam. So patitavat plus e will become patitavati. Similarly, kritavat plus e becomes kritavati. Understand this also. This is ekaranta, like nadi shabda. Like nadi shabda, it is declined. Ekarantaha, strilingaha, nadi shabdaha.
Ikarantah strilingaha
Kritavati shabdaha.
Kritavati shabdah
Kritavati, kritavatyo, kritavatyaha.
Kritavatyau Kritavatyah
Kritavatim, kritavatyo, kritavatihi.
Kritavatim Kritavatyaau Kritavatihi
Kritavatya, kritavatibhyam, kritavatibhihi.
Kritavatya Kritavatibhyam Kritavatibihi
Kritavatye, kritavatibhyam, kritavatibhyaha.
Kritavatyai Kritavatibhyam Kritavatibhyah
Kritavatibhyaha. Kritavatyaha, kritavatibhyam, kritavatibhyaya.
Kritavatyah Kritavatibhyam Kritavatibyah
Kritavatyaha, kritavatyoho, kritavatiyam.
कृतवत्याः कृतवत्योः कृतवतीभ्याम्
कृतवत्यां कृतवत्योः कृतवतीषु
कृतवत्यां कृतवत्योः कृतवतीषु
कृतवती हे कृतवत्यो हे कृतवत्यः
हे कृतवती हे कृतवत्यौ हे कृतवत्यः
प्रकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः पतितवत् शब्दः
तकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः पतितवत् शब्दः
पतितवत् पतितवती पतितवन्ति
पतितवत् पतितवती पतितवन्ति
पतितवत् पतितवती पतितवन्ति
पतितवत् पतितवती पतितवन्ति
Yes. From Tritiya onwards, same as Pullinga. Shisham Pumbata. You can skip. Now, we will do this. We have seen the first category where we saw the dhatu taking itarama. So, being under Pratyaya, it takes itarama and you get Piditavatra, Likitavatra iti. Then the second category where we saw that the dhatu will not take itarama, taking no itarama. And then make the declension. But C, now we will do the C. That is for the dhatus ending with akara, ikara, ikara, ukara, ukara. And taking no ikara. You can read this. Is my voice clear to all of you?
There is a background noise, Shanjit. There is a background noise.
Background noise.
Yeah, when you speak, some noise is coming.
But is there any break or drag in my voice?
No, not much.
The volume is more, that is why I think background noise. Please type your name in the chat box. So you will read. Yes, Ganesh, you can read.
जी जितवत् जितवत् जितवान् जितवती जितवत् धृ धृतवत् धृतवान् धृतवती
It is
धृतवत्
Okay.
सॉरी
Dhru.
नी धृ
Yeah.
धृतवत् धृतवत् धृतवान् धृतवती धृतवत् नी नीतवत् नीतवान् नीतवती नीतवत् भू भूतवत् भूतवान् भूतवती भूतवत् मृ मृतवत् मृतवान् मृतवती मृतवत् हृ हृतवत् हृतवान् हृतवती हृतवत् कृ कृतवत् कृतवान् कृतवती कृतवत् स्तु स्तुतवत् स्तुतवान् स्तुतवती स्तुतवत् सृ श्रुतवत् श्रुतवान् श्रुतवती श्रुतवत् स्मृ स्मृतवत् स्मृतवान् स्मृतवती स्मृतवत्
You can continue.
वि प्लस आ प्लस प्र सो व्यापृतवत् व्यापृतवान् व्यापृतवती व्यापृतवत् क्री, क्रीतवत्, क्रीतवान्, क्रीतवती, क्रीतवत्. आ प्लस श्री, आश्रितवत्,
Ashritavati.
sorry, आश्रितवत्, आश्रितवान्, आश्रितवती, आश्रित, आश्रितम. So भी,
Ashritam.
आश्रितम, yes.
Mistake. Ashritavat.
आश्रित, आश्रितवत्.
Ashritavat. Okay.
भी, भीतवत्, भीतवान्, भीतवती, भीतवत्. स्मि, स्मितवत्, स्मितवान्, स्मितवती, स्मितवत्. ख्या, ख्यातवत्, ख्यातवान्, ख्यातवती, ख्यातवत्. च्यू, च्युतवत्, च्युतवान्, च्युतवती, च्युतवत्. स्तु, स्तुतवत्, स्तुतवान्, स्तुतवती, स्तुतवत्. अधि प्लस इंग,
Ing dhatu will always have adi upasarga, nitya upasarga. With the adi upasarga, ing dhatu means to study. Adhyayanam, adhyapanam, aditaha, adhyaya. All these words come from this dhatu only. Ing dhatu, adipurvaka, adipurvakam. Yes.
सो अधीतवत्, अधीतवान्, अधीतवती, अधीतवत्. प्री, प्रीतवान्, प्रीतवत्, प्रीतवान्, प्रीतवती, प्रीतवत्. श्रु, श्रुतवत्, श्रुतवान्, श्रुतवती, श्रुतवत्. मा, मितवत्, मितवान्, मितवती, मितवत्. पा, पीतवत्, पीतवान्, पीतवती, पीतवत्. दा, दत्तवत्, दत्तवान्, दत्तवती, दत्तवत्. स्था, स्थितवत्, स्थितवान्, स्थितवती, स्थितवत्. धा, हितवत्, हितवत्, हितवान्, हितवती, हितवत्.
I will be replaced by he.
हि,
Tatehe he. Sutra is that. So this dha dhatu, third gana, when add tavatu pratyaya, that will be replaced by the adesha he. So therefore hitavat. You can note this. Yes.
हा, हितवत्, हितवान्, हितवती, हितवत्.
No, hina, not hita.
Sorry,
Hina.
sorry,
Ha
sorry.
becomes
हीन, हीनवत्, हीनवान्, हीनवती, हीनवत्. घ्रा, घ्रातवत्, घ्रातवान्, घ्रातवती, घ्रातवत्. And also घ्राणवत्, घ्राणवान्, घ्राणवती, घ्राणवत्.
two forms are there. Yes.
स्ना, स्नातवत्, so स्नातवान्, स्नातवती, स्नातवत्. ज्ञा, ज्ञातवत्, ज्ञातवान्, ज्ञातवती, ज्ञातवत्.
All these are, you can note, these are akaranta dhatus. Nya, sna, dha, ha, and sta. These are all the akaranta dhatus. You can note it is replaced by E in general, and there are exceptions. Pa becomes P, dirgha ikara, and Da becomes there is no ikara to it. Always exceptions are that Dha will be replaced by he, and Ha is replaced by he. Those are exceptions. And Sna and Tha doesn't have any change. Snatha, Nyatha. These are the akaranta dhatus. Next one, Krishnaji. Dhatus involving Shtutra Sandhi. Shtuttam means Shata. So therefore, Shata, I'm taking no ikara now.
if dhatu,
Taking
ishtavat,
no itarama means when itarama comes out, construction happen. Could happen also. Kara and Takara, if itarama comes between Tavatu and Idatu, then how can construction happen? Therefore, this is only first form. Yeah.
ish dhatu, ishtavat, ishtavan, ishtavati, ishtavat.
If you can do, Krishnji, if you can do this, fill up the Dhatu and the Dhatu Artha, it's good. You can do it and send it to me this file.
Sorry, what was dhatu and?
The Dhatu, Dhana, it is Parasham Pati, and the meaning.
Ish is tudadikana.
But I'm saying you can fill up this table.
Okay.
Yeah, if you can fill up, it will be good. I can use like that. I didn't get time to do it. So you can.
Okay. Okay. Is the
Yeah. Useful for others also. Yeah, useful.
krish, krishtavat, krishtavan, krishtavati, krishtavat.
Krish is there in two Ganas. The first is there in the sixth Gana also it is there. Meaning, first Gana becomes Karishati, sixth Gana becomes Krishati only.
Krishti.
So from this Dhatu only we have the get the word Krish and all. Okay. Yes. Continue.
Klish, klish, klishtavat, klishtavan, klishtavati, klishtavat, tush. Okay, so tushtavat, tushtavan, tushtvati, tushtavat.
Up to this it is Shakaranta.
These are also tudadikana, I think, Ariji.
Yeah.
Dush, dish. Okay. Dish.
How comes the Shakaranta, Pallavi Shakara? This also will undergo Shatun. You know, Shatun number 1. Shakaranta Dhatu followed by Jal or Prakante. Tavatu is that Tavatu is a Jal. Therefore, Shakara will become Murdhanya Shakara. Then after that, Shtutva will is applied. Yeah, please read.
Dish, dishtavat, dishtavan, dishtavati, dishtavat, nash, nashtavat, nashtavan, nashtavati, nashtavat, push, pushtavat, pushtavan, pushtavati, pushtavat, vish, vishtavat, vishtavan, vishtavati, vishtavat, krush, krishtavat, krishtavan, krishtavati, krishtavat, drish, sorry, gush, gushtavat, gushtavan, gushtvati, gushtavat, drish, drishtavat, drishtavan, drishtvati, drishtavat.
This I think I told no last class. Drish Dhatu, which the Trich Pratyaya become Drashta, Drashtu. I think I told yeah. Did I tell that? That Drish plus Ta Pratyaya will become Drishta, Drish plus Trich Pratyaya or Tuman Pratyaya will become
Drashtum.
Drashtru. Remember when Jali follows, it gets the Agama.
We saw in Ashtadhyayi class.
Oh, okay. There you saw. Fine. So that you saw. Okay. Please continue.
Dush, dushtavat, dushtavan, dushtavati, dushtavat, jush, jushtavat, jushtavan, jushtavati, jushtavat, shish, shishtavan, shishtavat, shishtavan, shishtavati, shishtavat, pish, pishtavat, pishtavan, पृष्ठवती पृष्ठवत् स्पृश स्पृष्ठवत् स्पृष्टवान् स्पृष्टवती स्पृष्टवत्
Dhatu belongs to the fourth kana predominantly. So Shan, Dan, and all will come.
Yeah, Sham plus Tavat, Sham plus Tavat. It will become Padanta Makara will become Anuswara. So Sham plus Tavat and Shantavat. Magama will come under Shantavat.
This particular Sham is a subgroup, the fourth kana, where we saw that Upada Dirghatum happened. Shama, Krishna, Samadhi, etc. 8 dhatus are there. These will get Upada Dirghatum. So Sham will become Sham, Dam will become Dam. Then Anuswara comes, then Anuswara again become Nakara. See, Makara becoming Anuswara, Anuswara becoming Nakara. You can see the sequence. Anuswara will happen. When does it happen? Anuswara will happen. Remember the root when it happens?
Yes,
Padanta Anuswara. It's not Padanta. Padanta Anuswara becoming Makara, that is okay. You know. When does it happen? Anuswara.
पश्चपदान्तस्य जल.
Yeah. Becomes Anuswara. Padanta Makara Nakara will become Anuswara. Then Anuswara is again becomes Nakara. By what?
अनुस्वर ई परसवर्ण.
When Yai follows. When Yai follows, it becomes again Nakara. So Makara becoming Nakara. That happens through becoming Anuswara. That is a sequence. Remember, always this is how it happens. Similarly, Nakara also can become Anuswara and again becoming Nakara. So it will bypass the Natvam. Suppose if Natvam is possible, I'm saying, like in the word Kurvanti and all. If Natvam is possible, it is bypassed by becoming Anuswara. Okay, please read.
Yeah. Sham, Shantavat, Shantavan, Shantavati, Shantavat. Dham, Dantavat, Dantavan, Dantavati, Dantavat. Bhram, Bhrantavat, Bhrantavan, Bhrantavati, Bhrantavat. Sham, Shantavat, Shantavan, Shantavati, Shantavat. Then Glam, Klantavat, Klantavan, Klantavati, Klantavat. Shram, Shrantavat, Shrantavan, Shrantavati, Shrantavat. Vam, Vantavat, Vantavan, Vantavati, Vantavat. Then R plus Cham, it will be Achantavat, Achantavan, Achantavati, Achantavat. Then Kram, Krantavat, Krantavan, Krantavati, Krantavat.
Then the next one, Dhatus involves dropping of Anunasika and taking no itasma. It's connected to the previous one, but the difference is previous one, the Makara doesn't drop. Upada Dirghatam happens, then Makara becomes Anuswara and again becoming Nakara. The next one here Anunasika is dropped. There are some dhatus in the 8th kana and Anunasika Udatta. Anunasika Udatta Anunasika di Dhatupata. That is in the Dhatupata. Dhatus also have got Swara. So it is chanted with Swara. So where it is Udatta Anunasika is there. There this Anunasika is dropped. When it is followed by Jali Kiti Pratyaya Pare. I think we have seen this in the maybe it is in the Sandhi chat. I'm not sure about this. You can note these dhatus coming under this category. The dhatus Tanotyadinam, Vanati Tanotyadinam sutra is there. By that, when it is followed by the Jali Kiti Pratyaya Pare. Now, the Tavatu also you can remember. Tavatu is a Jal and also Kit Pratyaya. So, wherever this Jali Kiti is there, Jali means in Jal Pratyaya and also it's a Kit Pratyaya. So, you can list down like that. So, when Jali Kiti condition is satisfied, something happened to the Anga. So, Tavatu is a Valadi, therefore Itagama. There we require Itagama, therefore we call it as a Valadi. Where this Anunasika, suppose if it is there followed by, now we say it as a Jali. The same Takara, Tavatu, is now looked upon as a Jali, as a part of the Pratyahara Jali. And is a Kit Pratyaya, therefore Anunasika is dropped. Not for all the Dhatu. Only for the Dhatus in the eighth Kana and some Dhatus, it will happen. That is what is given here. So that's why it is given as a separate category. Okay. So you can remember these dhatus. For these dhatus, that Anunasika is dropped. Okay, that is, you have to be familiar with these forms. That is why I'm asking you to read. So gam becomes gatavat only. There is no ganta. There is no ganta. What is the Shatranta form of gam? Shatranta form of gam is
Gachat.
it is gachat. Any doubt in that? So it is
No, Ji, no.
the Shatranta form of gam is gachat. Why it becomes gachat there? Because
of Shab Pratyaya.
Because when a Shab Pratyaya, Shit Pratyaya follows, gam will become gach, yam will become yach, right? Ish will become ich. So all these things happen. So Shatra is Shab Pratyaya because Shatra Pratyaya is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, therefore Gana Vikarna will come. Here it is, there is no such problem. Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya, therefore there is no Gana Vikarna and all. Okay. Therefore gam plus tavat, since Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya follows, therefore no Gana Vikarna, therefore gam remains as gam only. What happens here is that Makara is dropped. When it is dropped, when the Jali Kiti Pratyaya follows for some dhatus. That is this category. Kameshwari, you can read.
Okay. Gam, Gatavat, Gatavan, Gatavati, Gatavat. Ram, Ratavat, Ratavan, Ratavati, Ratavat. Yam, Yatavat, Yatavan, Yatavati, Yatavat. Han, Hatavat, Hatavan, Hatavati, Hatavat. Ram, Ratavat, Ratavan, Ratavati, Ratavat. Man, Matavat, Matavan, Matavati, Matavat. Tan, Tatavat, Tatavan, Tatavati, Tatavat. Shan, Chatavat, Chatavan, Chatavati, Chatavat.
In addition to the given dhatus, all the dhatus in the eighth gana will drop their anunasika. So in the eighth gana, there are some dhatus. That's why I said this rule. Tanothyadinam. Okay, now the next one. Next one for the dhatus ending with rikara. Rikara. Rikara taking no itagama. What will happen to rikara? We have seen this also. Ru will be replaced by Ir.
Ir.
Ir will be replaced by ir only. Then it becomes ir.
Then it becomes ir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Is replaced by ir only. Then after that it becomes ir. The ikara becomes dirghatam happens. Okay, that is the sequence. So tru plus tavat. So now tru is there and tavat not here. Tavat also nakara, that takara becoming nakara. You can see that it happens. Through the tavat, the takara becoming nakara. Then the 3 is replaced by ir. Then e is replaced by irvoho padaya hadikaha. Sutra is not, I don't think this sutra, that is not required now. Or you can just, say you can note Lepa or Vakara followed by a hal. Upada, if it is, Upada becomes Dirgha. So E is there, therefore becomes E. That is why he said E. Nothing wrong in saying ear. It becomes ear, it's okay. Understanding is correct only, no problem. It is immediately ear only, and then becomes ear. When it is followed by the hull. So here tavat is there, it's a hull, therefore E becomes E. And the vowel preceding the repa becomes dirgha, that is the rule. So therefore E it becomes. Then natham happens, therefore you get more than in a kala. Therefore tirna. This already we have seen in the tapatya, tirna and all. So the same thing here. Okay. Next person. Next, please read.
Tru Tirnavat, Tirnavan, Tirnavati, Tirnavat. Kru Kirnavat, Kirnavan, Kirnavati, Kirnavat. Dru Dirnavat, Dirnavan, Dirnavati, Dirnavat. Shru Shirnavat, Shirnavan, Shirnavati, Shirnavat. Jru Jirnavat, Jirnavan, Jirnavati, Jirnavat. Gr Girnavat, Girnavan, Girnavati, Girnavat. Str Stirnavat, Stirnavan, Stirnavati, Stirnavat. Pr Purnavat, Purnavan, Purnavati, Purnavat.
Yeah, Rikara preceded by Oshtya letter, then it will be replaced, Rikara will be replaced by
U.
U, therefore Purnavat. Oshtya Purvaka. Rikarasya sthane Purvadesha bhavati. Therefore Purnavat. Next one, Krishnaji. Dhatu ending with Dhakara and taking Bhavitarama. What will happen? Dhatu if you take Chid. Dhakaranta Dhatu. Avatu. Then here also Takara and here also Takara. Both are Tvarga letter. So what will happen? This Avatu, the Takara will be replaced by Nakara, and this Takara also replaced by Nakara. Both are replaced by Nakara.
Okay.
Nishtataho. Naha will be, the sutra is so Nishtata, this is the Nishta Pratyaya. So when the Nishta Pratyaya following Dakara, the Nishta Pratyaya will get the Adesha Nakara. That is, Takara will be replaced by Nakara. And also the Dhatu's Dakara, that also will be replaced by Nakara. That is the rule. Sutra is there. So therefore, two Nakaras. So Chit becomes Chinna. Chinnavat. Okay. Yes, Krishnaji, you can read.
Chid, Chinnavat, Chinnavan, Chinnavati, Chinnavat. Kid, Kinnavat, Kinnavan, Kinnavati, Kinnavat, Swid, Swinnavat, Swinnavan, Swinnavati, Swinnavat, Bid, Binnavat, Binnavan, Binnavati, Binnavat, Sad, Sannavat, Sannavan, Sannavati, Sannavat, Pad, Apannavat, Apannavan, Apannavati, Apannavat, Tud, Tunnavat, Tunnavan, Tunnavati, Tunnavat, Nud, Nunnavat, Nunnavan, Nunnavati, Nunnavat, Vid, Vinnavat, Vinnavan, Vinnavati, Vinnavat, Spand, Spand, Spannavat, Spannavan, Spannavati, Spannavat, Chad, Channavat, Channavan, Channavati, Channavat.
Dhatus ending with Jash letter. Jash letter we have seen. Oh, yesterday class we saw. Jash. Jashantasya Dhatu. Jash is Javai Gadadash. So fourth letter of the class. Then what will happen? Buddha Dhatu. Buddha plus Tavatu. Dakara and Takara is Jashanta Dhatu.
So takara, takara, following Jash will be replaced by dakara.
Yes. Good. Therefore, Dakara comes. And after that,
Then Jashtva Sandhi.
Jashtva Sandhi, number 2 will apply, not number 1.
Yeah, number 2. Correct.
Yes. So you get this Dakara, Mahaprana will be replaced by Alta Prana. Then Buddhavati form you get. So Takara or Takara following a Jash will be replaced by Dakara. That's the sutra. That's a rule. So you get Takara, Takara replaced by Dakara, Mahaprana Dakara, following a Jash, Jashanta. Then Jashtavati number 2 is applied. So you get the form Buddhavat. Sumati ji, you can read next one.
Buddh, Buddhavat, Buddhavan, Buddhavati, Buddhavat. Lab, Labdavat, Labdavan, Labdavati, Labdavat. Vrit, Vridhavat,
What is the meaning of
Vridhavan.
Buddhavan? Suppose if we say Saha Buddhavan.
Is intelligent.
What is the meaning of the sentence Saha Buddhavan or just Buddhavan? What is the meaning I'm asking?
Is it intelligence?
Buddhavan is not intelligence. Buddhimati or Buddhiman is intelligence. Buddhiman Balakaha, that is okay. Or Buddhimati Balika, intelligent boy, intelligent girl. Buddhavan is playing the role of the verb, right? It's a verbal equivalent. So Buddha
denotes past.
understand.
Past tense then. Okay.
Yeah, he understood. That's what it means. Buddha means to learn, to understand.
Learn. Okay.
So that's the meaning. Like Labdavan is the next one. Labdavan means he got, he obtained.
Obtained.
Labdavan. Shraddhavan, okay, Labate Gyam, but Labate is the Labdhatu. So Labdavan means he gained. Tena Labdaha, Tena Labdam, Labdaha, if it is karma user, then you can say accordingly. Tena Labdam, gained by him. Okay, yes, continue.
Then Vrit, Vridhavat, Vridhavan, Vridhavati, Vridhavat. Vrut, Vridhavat, Vridhavan, Vridhavati, Vridhavat. Then Shut, Shuddhavat, Shuddhavan, Shuddhavati, Shuddhavat. Sadh, Sadhavat, Sadhavan, Sadhavati, Sadhavat. Radh, Radhavat, Radhavan, Radhavati, Radhavat.
I think this column also not filled. You can, now you can fill up the column. Okay, next one.
Then Krut, Krudhavat, Krudhavan, Krudhavati, Krudhavat. Yud, Yudhavat, Yudhavan, Yudhavati, Yudhavat. Then Sit, Siddhavat, Siddhavan, Siddhavati, Siddhavat. Then Shubh, Shubdhavat, Shubdhavan, Shubdhavati, Shubdhavat. Then A plus Ram, Rab, Arabd, Arabdhavat, Arabdhavan, Arabdhavati, Arabdhavat.
Yes. Next, the dhatus ending with jakara and chakara and taking no itagama and becoming shakara. This is shattam number 1. We have seen. This is apavada to kutva sandhi. So only for some dhatus, only for some
Yes.
specific dhatus ending with the jakara and chakaranta dhatu. The conditions should be at the end of the padam or when followed by
Followed by Jal.
then this jakara and this chakara will be replaced by mudanya shakara.
Mudanya shakara.
And no itagama. And after that, for Stutta Vidhi will apply. So that is the sequence. Srij plus Tavatu. Srij is one of the dhatu in that list. Brashya, Srija is that. So Srij Jakara will be replaced with Mudanya Shakara. And no itagama. If itagama comes, then Stutta will not happen. So therefore, no itagama here. Therefore, Takara is replaced by Takara by Stutta Vidhi. You get Sri.
Srishtava.
Similarly, Yaj becomes Yaj plus Tavat. Yaj is also one of the dhatu there. Here what happens is Samprasaranam.
Samprasarana.
Why? Because this Tavatu is a Kit Pratyaya. When Kit Pratyaya follows, Vachi Swapi Yajadinam Kiti. That is Vach dhatu, then the dhatu beginning with H, etc. will undergo Samprasaranam. So here Yakara is replaced by Ikara. And after that, what happens? Akara is left out here. That I told, if you remember. Samprasaranat, Samprasaranam, Samprasarana, Ikara followed by the H. Then Purva Parayogastane, Purvaha, that is Samprasaranam is the Adesha. Remember that? I think I told you this class also.
Yes, sure.
I told you that I will add this rule also in the Sandhi chart. When Samprasaranam happens, what is Samprasaranam?
Reversal of
Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Not only that, that operation is also Samprasaranam.
Samprasaranam.
Adesha, also Samprasaranam. So here Yakara is replaced by Ikara. That operation is Samprasaranam. And the replaced, that Adesha, Ikara is also called Samprasaranam. Here the Yakara is Yakara plus Akara is, remember, it's not only Yakara. Yakara is replaced by Ikara. What happened to Akara? Akara is left out, right? So, you understand? So that Yakara is replaced by Ikara. Then here what is there is Ikara plus Akara is there. Don't forget that. Then this Ikara which is Samprasarana followed by Ach. Then Purva Parayavastane Ikara Adesha Bhavati. Remember that rule? I think I told you this rule. Did I tell this rule to you?
That Purva Rupa Sandhi you said?
Sorry? Huh? What Sandhi?
Purva Rupa Sandhi?
Yeah, Purva Rupa.
Yeah, you told us.
In the context of Samprasanam, I think I told you this. This is to be, I also told you this is to be included in the Sandhi chart. Okay. So, therefore, E comes. What I'm saying is, don't think that Ya is replaced by E, not Ya. Ya is Yakara plus Akara is there. Akara, the vowel is there. Only Yakara is replaced by Ikara. Then Ikara followed by the Akara. Then Samprasanam, that is Pura Rupa. Samprasanam followed by H. Yes, Samprasanam is Ikara followed by Akara. Then both the Purva and Para will be replaced by the Samprasanam and Ikara. Therefore, you get each plus Tavatu. Then Jakara is that you can apply Shatvam because followed by Jal. Then you apply Shatvam. You get Ishtavatu. So H becomes Ishta. So this happens. When you see the form differently, you understand that it has got undergone Samprasanam. Yes.
This rule is already there in the chart. Ji. Samprasarnancha. Yeah.
Is there?
Yeah, it's in the chart. Yeah.
Whether recently added or before?
No. I took this printout 3-4 months back. It's there.
Okay. 1 minute, let me check that. Number, summary
In the
of
first, yeah, rules related to Swarasandhi itself in that.
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Yeah. Number 6, after 6. Avadi Sandhi. After that, it is the number 6.
Yeah, but this is 61108. It is there. You can see that. When a Samprasaranam is followed by H, both the Purva and Para will be replaced by the Purva, that is Samprasaranam. I've given only example like this. Pra is Pakara plus Repa plus A. Suppose if it undergoes Samprasaranam, what will happen? Pra is for Prashnatu. It is for the Prashnatu. Repa is replaced by Rikara. The Rikara is which has come in the place of Repa, that is Samprasaranam. Letter also Samprasaranam, each letter. Then Rikara plus A, Purva Parivastane. Purvaha Samprasaranam is the Adesha. So therefore you get Pru. And this only Prich. Touch will become Prich. Okay, it is there, yes. But it is there. Okay. Now next person can read.
Yeah. Srij dhatu. Srishtavat, Srishtavan, Srishtavati, Srishtavat. Yaj, Ishtavat, Ishtavan, Ishtavati, Ishtavat. Mrij, Mrishtavat, Mrishtavan, Mrishtavati, Mrishtavat. Brasj, Brishtavat, Brishtavan, Brishtavati, Brishtavat.
The Sakara of this Jakara. So therefore Jakara becoming Shakara. That also goes away. And also Samprasanam also happens. Brush becomes Br. Two things happen. Yeah.
Braj, it will be like Brashtavat. Huh?
No, leave that out. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Raj, Rajitavat, Rajitavan, Rajitavati, Rajitavat.
This is exception because Itagama is there.
Then Prach, Prishtavat, Prishtavan, Prishtavati, Prishtavat.
So Prishtavan means
he listened or he heard.
asked, not listened.
Asked. Okay. Yeah, he asked.
Approach. Okay, next person. Ganesh. Dhatus ending with Chavarga and taking no Itagama. And Chu becomes two. That is Kuttum happens.
Utvam happens.
Kech Dhatu Dhatu is Dakara. This not one of the Dhatu in the where the Shatta Vidhi happens. Shatta it becomes Teg. So here what happens is Uttam happens. Dakara, replaced with Dakara. Then Dakara is just letter followed by Kar. Richa is applied. And Kar letter follows Shatta Vidhi. Shatta Vidhi, therefore, Yaktavati is get. Similarly, that part is this read.
त्यज त्यक्तवत् त्यक्तवान् त्यक्तवती त्यक्तवत् युज
What is the meaning? Lang Lakara form is equivalent Lang Lakara form.
one who had given up.
No. It's not talking. It says it's a Kriya Padam. Okay.
त्यज is to give up.
Yeah, Tektavan means he gave up. That's the meaning. He gave up is the meaning. Not talking about the
So
person.
doesn't
Talking
mean
about
one
the
who
action.
had given up.
Why one who had given up? He gave up. That's the meaning.
He gave up. Okay.
Yeah. It can be a qualifier to the noun in this in the Vakya. That is okay. But the meaning is verbal equivalent is Atyajat. Therefore, he gave up. That is the meaning.
Bhutyarthe. Yeah.
The both they are. In the sentence, as you said, it is possible. Yes. Tektavan Purushaha.
As an adjective.
Tektavan Purushaha Punaha Agatavan. You can say the one who had given up left the grama came back.
Right. In that sense, we can use.
Yes. That sense it is. It's correct. Yeah. Continue.
युज युक्तवत् युक्तवान् युक्तवती युक्तवत् भज भक्तवत् भक्तवान् भक्तवती भक्तवत् मुच मुक्तवत् मुक्तवान् मुक्तवती मुक्तवत्
Muchdatu, you remember? Muchdatu, which gana is that? Muchdatu is?
Sixth.
Tudadigana.
Yeah, Tudadigana. So what is the form of the Muchdatu in Lat Lakara?
Munchati. Numagama will come.
Numagama will come. Numagama, when does it come? Only when it is She Muchadina. When it is followed by the Pratyaya beginning with Shakara. In Lat Lakara, Much plus Sha plus Sha is Ganadikana, right? So follows. Therefore, Numagama comes. But here it is not. It is Tavatu. Jaladi Pratyaya follows. Therefore, there is no Numagama and all here. Becomes just this Kuttam only happens. So, what is the lung form of Muktavan? Ganesh. Muktavan is he became free. He freed. Muktavan means he freed. Released. That's the meaning. So, lung
Right.
form.
Lung
Amunchat.
form amunchat.
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 So Muktavan is equal to Amunchat. There Amunchat, Numagama comes. Okay. Yes. Continue.
Munchati amunchat.
Yes.
Then rich. Riktavat, Riktavan, Riktavati, Riktavat. And some plus prich. Sampriktavat. Sampriktavan, Sampriktavati, Sampriktavat.
Next one. Krishna. Hakara. Those who are in the Stadaya class, they know it very well. They have seen everything in Sutra in detail. Hakara apply. Dattvam. Three vidhis are there. Dattvam, Gatvam, and Dattvam. Dattvam is only for one dhatu, Nakh dhatu. That also we have seen. Nakh dhatu.
Yeah, Nahudaha. Yeah.
Yeah, we have seen that the Shabda also, the Shabda Manjari, Upanakh, the Shabda, Upanat, Upanahu, Upanaha. Dhatu. For that, see in the Sandhi chart, it is Sandhi chart, I think one Dhatu, maybe I didn't cover that. It's okay. So this is the Dakara at the end of the param followed by Jal, replaced by Dakara. This is number one. Dakara becoming Dakara down. Number two. Dakara of the Dakara Dhatu followed by Jal at the end of the param will be replaced by Dakara. This is Dhatu. This is very specific for Dakara Dhatu. Dhatu beginning with Dakara. Dakara must be there because it is the stand going to be replaced by Dakara. One more is the small sutra only for the Dhatu. Dhatu. Anyway, that is not covered here. Then the next one is this Druk, Muk, Shnuk, and Shnip. These dhatus will get optionally Dakara. So Dakara will come and optionally Dakara also will come. So two forms will be there. Then after that only one the sutra is there. Nakh dhatu. Nakh dhatu will be replaced by Dakara. Remember. Nakh dhatu will be replaced by Dakara. It is not in the Sandhi chart, but I think we have.
You gave in the miscellaneous rules, Sharanji.
Is there?
Yeah, it's there.
Sutra miscellaneous rule.
Miscellaneous rule number 5. It's 8.2.34.
It's down further.
In miscellaneous rule number 5 you have given.
Is it okay? This is the one.
Yeah. Yes.
Number 5. I don't think so.
Oh, this one. I think later on you modified it because.
It's the one miscellaneous rule. Anyway.
The first one is Hutvam. Then you had Dattvam, then Gatvam. It was in that order.
I don't think it is there. This anyway.
I know, but I've written miscellaneous rules and noted down those.
Anyway.
Naho, that you gave.
Yeah, very good. That is the one. Is there?
It's there actually in miscellaneous. I don't know whether you modified the miscellaneous rules later, but it is done in number 5.
Okay. Miscellaneous rules.
You taught that in the class, even I have taken down.
Yeah, then only you said about the overlap in the Shabda Manjari.
I don't know, but the file, where is the file is? Is it the Word file or the PDF file?
It is a Word file only. I don't know whether it's PDF because actually you have about 8 points in that. 8. The last was when we are doing that left and those time.
Okay.
The last was Anunasika Anta of Anudhat. All that we have noted it down in miscellaneous.
It's a Word file, right?
Yeah. It's same like this. It's a Word file, yeah.
This is not a Word file, this is PDF.
No, in the class you taught us,
No,
exception to Dattvam, like that you gave us the rule. One day you actually rearranged the miscellaneous rules.
Yeah, that time
rearranged them and you taught us this.
So many, everything is messed up. Okay.
Because I noted, this is the one I think, Sharanji. See the number 5? First one is 2 at the end. This is the one I think. Yeah, Hakara.
Yeah,
No, not the,
under 5 only, 5th rule only. under that, I think.
One more. Yeah, it has to come. I know.
Anyway, you
See,
can send if you have sent the file, you can send me the file. I'll find out the file name.
Yeah, I just noted down. I'll scan and send this, Shanti. I don't know whether, but
Anyway, if you take the Shabda Manjari, I tell you where it is. Upanak Shabda is there. Upanak is Srilinga. Kara Shabda, Srilinga. So there we are seeing. This is the one. Here the Upanak means shoe. The dhatu is Nakh dhatu. Murdhanya Nakara will be there in the dhatu pata. Upadeshika dhatu is Murdhanya Nakara. And we know Murdhanya Nakara will become Nakara. So Nakh dhatu. So Nakh plus with Upa is Upasarga. That becomes Dirghatam also happens. Upa. Then Upa plus Nakh. Nakh dhatu Upasarga becomes Dirghatam. This is the rules. Upa becomes Upa. Upanak is there. So this Hakara is replaced by Hakara and followed by same rule, Jali at the end of the Padam. And this Hakara belonging to Nakh dhatu. Nakh means bandhane, to bind. That is the meaning. So it is Hakara is replaced by Dakara. This is Dattvam. So Hakara is replaced by Dakara, Dattvam, then Gatvam. Then this is Dattvam. Dattvam only for this dhatu. So Hakara is replaced by Dakara. Then Upanad it becomes. And the last, this is the Charta Vidhi will apply. Jal at the end of the Padam, replaced by. You apply all the rules, Jalam Jashwante and all you apply. Then finally it will become Dakara or Dakara. Upanat you get. That is how you get this form. Upanat, Upanahau, Upanagaha, Upanaham, Upanahau, Upanagaha, Upanaha, Upanadge. You can see Upanadge. Hakara replaced with Dakara. Then what happens? Then Dakara is Jalam Jashwante, that is Jashwante number 1 is applied. Dakara, Maha from Dakara becoming Dakara. Then Jashwante number 2 is applied. The same continues. Upanadgya form you get. This is for Nakh dhatu. Only one dhatu for that is a sutra. Nahotaha iti. Okay. That's called Dattvam. Anyway, if you have seen the class, if you remember, and very good, fine. Now we will read this. Okay. So, and this Hakara becoming Dakara, then after that what happens? Then don't apply Stuttam immediately. This, you have to see this Hakara replaced by Dakara is what? No, just letter. Just letter is followed by Takara. Therefore, Takara will be replaced by Dakara. It is not shown here. It is not, the sequence is not shown here. But please note that. Otherwise, I won't have to change also. But it will become small. The letters will become small. Here you see Ruk dhatu. Let me explain the meaning of this. Ruk dhatu plus Kavatu. That is Hakara replaced by Dakara. That is by the Datta Vidhi. Then Dakara in this contact Dakara. We apply the Stutva immediately now. But to say this, you look upon this Dakara as a just letter. And Dakara follows that. Therefore, this Dakara will be replaced by what? We replace Dakara. On here also you can see Dattvam. This is another Dattvam. So Dakara happens. Then after that, because it is in Tripura, you have to follow the sequence. Then Dakara happens. Then after that, what happens? Then you apply Stutta Vidhi. You apply Stutta Vidhi. So Dakara becoming Dakara. After applying Stutta, then what you have to do is
the first Dakara Lopaha.
Lopa.
Dakara followed by Dakara.
Then become Dirgha. Rudavat. It's a typo in
Yeah.
Yeah,
And Hrasva and preceding Hrasva and will become Dirgha.
short and
Okay, that is how it happens. How you can read it. Who is supposed to read?
Me.
Yeah, please read. So this topic is covered so many times. I think you will never forget. Yeah. Yes, please read.
Rudavat, Rudavan, Rudavati, Rudavat, Leadavat, Leadavan, Leadavati, Leadavat,
Lig also it is there in the Shabda Manjari. We have seen Lig Shabda. How do you decline, Krishnanji?
is it lit, liho, liha,
Yes, lit or lid liho ligaha. Liham liho.
liham, liho, ligaha,
Then liha
liha, lidbyam, lidbihi,
lid be. Yes,
lihe, lidbyam, lidbyaha.
yes. And 7-1.
Lihi, lihoho, litsu,
Litsu. Litsu or litsu.
Pariji,
7-3.
litsu,
Litsu and one more takara also can come optionally. That I think in Dasi Dut like that also optionally. Lik Dhatu, which is in the I think Pullinga. Anantaha. This is in the Shabda Manjari. We have seen that. Litsu. 7-3 is Litsu. 7-3 is Litsu. Optional form also is there. Litsu. That is lit is there, and after that takara also can come. One takara. Litsu also is there. Okay. That is maybe I'll tell you teach you later. It's out of context now. Litsu. That we will see. Litsu is okay. One form is there now. That's okay. One more form is there. Okay. Now here what happens? Lik followed by the jali. Therefore, Hakara replaced by Dakara and Upada Dirghatam also happens. Lead with it. Yeah, please continue.
Vah, Udavat, Udavan, Udavati, Udavat,
What will become Samprasaranam. Right?
Samprasarnam, Sodavat, Sodavan, Sodavati, Sodavat, Gadavat, Gadavan, Gadavati, Gadavat, Mudavat, Mudavan, Mudavati, Mudavat,
One more form is there. Muk Dhatu.
Mugdavan,
Dhatu, Dakara replacement is one. Optionally, it can be replaced by
Gakara,
Dhakara. Right? That
Mugdavat,
Mugash, Nagash, Niga, 4 dhatus. The 4 dhatus, it is there in the Sandhi chart. You can see it is replaced by Gakara optionally. So, therefore, we have one more form. This is the one. Muhdatu is here. The Sandhi chart you can see at the end of the Padam or followed by Jal will be replaced by Gakara optionally. So, what is the form? Another form?
Mugdavat, Mugdavan, Mugdavati, Mugdavat.
This also I think we have seen. I have explained in this class. Remember that replaced.
Yes, G. Yes, G. Adding
Yeah.
Takara, we have done.
Number 8. The Sandhi. The screen you can see number 8. Hakara of the Dhatu, Drut, Lok, Shnuk, Snik. at the end of the pradam are followed by jal will be replaced by kakara. Option B. First form you can see Uddhavat option form is there. Right? It is not here in the list, but we can just remember. Next one.
Sneedavat, Sneedavan, Sneedavati, Sneedavat.
This also will have one more form, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
By the same rule. By the same rule.
Yeah, will be Snigdha.
Becomes Snigdha. Becomes Snigdhavat. Okay. Then the next person, Sumatiji. Ending in Hakara and taking no Agama.
And becoming Kakar. Now, what do you were saying? That?
Yes, that form is
Ah.
Please read.
Mukh, Mugdhavat, Mugdhavan, Mugdhavati, Mugdhavat. Dhak, Dhagdavat, Dhagdavan, Dhagdavati, Dhagdavat. Dik, Digdavat, Digdavan, Digdavati, Digdavat. Snik, Snigdavat, Snigdavan, Snigdavati, Snigdavat.
Then dhatus which undergo samprasaranam, please read this also.
Yeah. Vach, Vach becomes Uttavat, Uttavan, Uttavati, Uttavat. Vas, Ushitavat, Ushitavan, Ushitavati, Ushitavat. Then Yach, Ishtavat, Ishtavan, Ishtavati, Ishtavat. Then Vat, Uditavat, Uditavan, Uditavati, Uditavat. Then Grak, Grihitavat, Grihitavan, Grihitavati, Grihitavat.
This table you can note all these samprasaranam, the dhatus are covered here. Vach,
Okay.
Shivat, Grak. If you ask me what all the dhatus will undergo samprasaranam, these main dhatus, these are the dhatus. All the ajadi dhatus are also covered here. So you can please note this. I think I sent you this file already. You can note this dhatus which undergoes samprasaranam. When does it go undergo samprasaranam?
Then for Kit Pratyaya, that is,
Kit Pratyaya follows.
there follows.
Kit Pratyaya follows. Kit or Git Pratyaya follows. Samprasaranam happens. These are the dhatus. Yeah. Almost all the dhatus are important dhatus are covered. Yes. Please continue.
Yeah, Swap, Suktavat, Suktavan, Suktavati, Suktavat. Prach, Prishtavat, Prishtavan, Prishtavati, Prishtavat. Then Vyat, Viditavat,
Not
Viditavan,
Viditavat. That is to peers. Viddavat.
Viddavat, I'm sorry, Viddavat, Viddavan, Viddavati, Viddavat.
Here,
Then
get what happened?
Vidda,
Why Vakara has not undergone samprasaranam?
only Yakara undergoes.
Vakara, Yakara, two letters are there. Two ik letters are there. So Vakara is there, followed by Yakara is there, Akara is there. Right? So when this, then Dakara is there, fine. When Kit Pratyaya follows, Yakara will become what?
Ikara.
Huh?
Ikara.
Ikara. So
Yeah.
Ikara is what? Samprasaranam. Remember? So when samprasaranam follows, then Vakara will not undergo samprasaranam. That's the rule. When samprasaranam follows, then the N letter will not undergo samprasaranam. Therefore, only one samprasaranam possible. Understand? So when you do samprasaranam, you have to do from the right to left. So here, what was there before? Ikara is there. And Yad plus Kavatu is Kit Pratyaya. Therefore, Ikara becoming Ikara. Right? Understand?
Yes, sir.
This Ikara is ik letter. Ik. That's why I said the operation is also called Samprasaranam.
Prasaranam.
The Adesha is called Samprasaranam. Both are called by the name Samprasaranam. Samprasaranam happens, and it is the Adesha is also Samprasaranam. And this Samprasarana it follows N letter. So Samprasarane, when Samprasaranam follows, it letter will not, sorry, N letter, not it letter, N letter will not undergo Samprasaranam. Therefore, the Bakara remains as it is. Now when you join, Bakara plus E becomes V. That's what happens here. V. Right? And
Yes,
E,
sir.
first you have to do E plus R become E. Samprasaranam followed by H will be replaced by E. Then Vakara plus E becomes V. Then with. That is what you see here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So with is there, then with the plus, then Tavatu, Kimbavati. This Takara is replaced by Dakara.
Dakara.
Right? Becomes Dhavat. Then this Dakara, just to the apply, becomes Dakara. Now we get with Dhavat. So,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
yeah. Please read.
Excuse me, Ji. Here, what happens to that akara? One ya is
That's what I said. No, that Ikara is
full ya.
by Ikara. E plus Samprasarana. Samprasaranam followed by H will be replaced by Samprasaranam.
Okay.
That's
Okay,
why Vakara
understood.
plus E.
Okay.
Told that later, in fact, that I thought we covered that also. Okay. Continue.
Then Vak, Udavat, Udavan, Udavati, Udavat. Then say, that is Bhutavat, Bhudavan, Bhudavati, Bhudavat. Vak, Uttavat, Uttavan, Uttavati, Uttavat.
Then Sambhavaga. Yeah, after this. I think we can continue this in the next class. Then we will do that. Our top pratyaya, that exercise was the translation. That also you please do it as well. I think we have done. So after completing this, we will do that. With that, we will wind up this chapter of this section. It's over. Okay. Then we will take up the infant reader and Anton, and we will do now the application of the concept, application of whatever we have learned. The grammar is one thing, then the application. Application you will see when we do the infant reader and the Anton exercises. Okay, so we stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. This, do you have any doubts up to this? I think it's all simple.
No, Ji.
There are many repetitions. So please note this. Next class you can remind me. We have to start from number O. Category O.